speed and danger go hand in hand on the road, especially when it comes to trucks. We take you through thrilling moments and incredible escapes where a single misstep could have led to disaster. Fatal mistakes with serious consequences are a testament to the thin line between life and death. To experience the ferocity of these horrific accidents and gain a better understanding of the devastation that speed can cause on these roads. From a small road was about to turn onto a main road when it ran a red light and collided with an oncoming truck. The collision also affected another oncoming car. Fortunately, everyone was safe. This situation highlights the importance of looking carefully before changing lanes. When changing lanes, always check your mirrors carefully and signal early to notify other vehicles. This helps you avoid dangerous collisions and ensure safety when participating in traffic. Robert was driving when he saw a black car in front of him lose control and swerve on the road. As Robert approached, he collided with the car and crashed into the side of the road. Fortunately, no one was injured. This situation reminds us of the need to be careful when driving. This situation highlights the dangers of making sharp turns on winding roads. When driving on winding roads, always slow down and turn slowly to avoid the risk of overturning. Being careful and focused while driving will help ensure your safety and the safety of others. When driving in rainy or slippery conditions, keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front and reduce your speed. Make sure you have enough space to react to unexpected situations and maintain high concentration to avoid accidents. David was driving on a two-way road when a black car in front turned on its turn signal and turned onto the side of the road. David did not react in time and crashed into the car. Fortunately, no one was injured in the accident. Richard was driving towards an intersection with a green light. Suddenly, a red car from the left ran the red light and crashed into Richard's car. Fortunately, no one was injured in the collision. This situation shows the importance of obeying traffic signals and looking carefully before moving. This situation highlights the importance of looking carefully before changing direction. Before changing direction on a two-way road, always check both directions carefully to ensure safety. Looking carefully helps avoid unnecessary accidents and protects the safety of you and those around you. Charles was driving when he saw a container truck driving closely beside him. Because the distance was too close, Charles lightly collided with the truck. Fortunately, no one was injured. This situation shows the importance of maintaining a safe distance when driving near large vehicles. Thomas was driving on a one-way road when he saw a truck coming from the opposite direction and stopping at the side of the road. At the same time, another car coming down from above almost hit the truck because the truck stopped suddenly. Luckily, the driver managed to avoid it in time, but his car plunged down the roadside. To avoid collisions with container trucks or other large vehicles, always maintain a safe distance and avoid getting too close. This gives you enough time to react if an unexpected situation occurs and ensures the safety of you and other road users. To avoid accidents in such situations, always maintain a safe distance from the vehicles in front and focus on observing all situations on the road. If you see obstacles or materials falling from other vehicles, reduce speed and be prepared to react promptly to protect the safety of you and everyone around you. Anthony was driving when a car from the right suddenly lost control, swerved over the front of his car and crashed into the median strip. The strong impact caused Anthony to also crash into the median strip. But fortunately, neither of them was injured. This situation highlights the importance of driving carefully and always being ready to react to unexpected situations. When driving, always concentrate and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. This gives you enough time to react to unexpected dangerous situations on the road, protecting the safety of yourself and others. Donald was driving when another car suddenly crossed the road. Because neither side was looking carefully, they collided. Fortunately, no one was injured in this accident. This situation highlights the importance of always concentrating and observing carefully when driving. To avoid accidents, always keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front. When encountering unexpected situations, reduce speed and be ready to react quickly. This helps you avoid dangerous situations and ensure your safety on the road.
Oh, bless. Oh.
Paul was driving at a high speed, causing him to lose control and crash into the side of the mountain road. Fortunately, Paul was not injured. This situation shows the importance of controlling speed when driving, especially on dangerous terrain. When driving, always maintain a safe speed and pay attention. Avoid getting too close to large vehicles, especially when they are parked on the side of the road, to ensure the safety of everyone around you. Joshua was driving and came to a curve in the road. Because he was driving too fast, he did not have time to react and crashed into the car in front of him. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured in this collision, but it highlights the importance of maintaining a safe speed, especially when cornering. Kenneth was driving when a car came up behind him at high speed. Because he was going too fast, the car lost control, swerved and collided with Kenneth's car. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured, but this incident highlights the dangers of speeding and reckless driving. This accident highlights the importance of careful observation when driving. When driving, always pay close attention to the traffic situation ahead, especially when other cars show signs of changing lanes. This helps you react promptly and avoid unwanted collisions. Traffic safety should always be a top priority. When driving, always maintain high concentration and carefully observe the surrounding environment. If you encounter an unexpected situation, such as a car parked in the middle of the road, reduce speed and keep a safe distance so that you can react promptly and avoid an accident. When driving, always keep a safe distance from the car in front to have enough time to brake in case of an accident. Always stay focused and alert, especially when driving in heavy traffic or at high speeds. If you find yourself in a situation like Brian's, it's important to stay calm and react quickly. Always check your mirrors and blind spots before backing up. Make sure there are no vehicles or obstacles behind you. If your vehicle is equipped with rear sensors or a camera, use them to detect nearby objects. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video until the end. If you find the video interesting and useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos about dangerous situations on the road. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your feelings. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue bringing attractive content. See you in the next videos.